Despite facing recent financial challenges, KTM continues to roll out exciting new models across various categories. The latest addition is the 2025 KTM 390 SMC-R, joining the brand's supermoto lineup alongside the track-focused 450 SMR and the street-oriented 690 SMC. Are built on the foundation of the 2024 2025 390 Duke. The 390 SMC-R is a natural extension of the platform, offering riders an entry-level supermoto experience with performance unmatched by its competitors. Unlike the 450 SMR, which is derived from the 450 SXF motocross platform, the 390 SMC-R shares its roots with KTM's fun and approachable single-cylinder lineup, which includes the 390 Duke, 390 Adventure, and RC390. However, the latter two still utilize the previous generation 300cc engine, LC4C engine at its core. The 390 SMC-R is powered by the latest iteration of KTM's LC4C engine, first introduced in the 2024 Duke. This 399cc power plant features an 80 cm bore and 64-meter stroke, double overhead cams, and a more compact cylinder head. It delivers a claimed 44.2 horsepower with a compression ratio of 12.6.1. Fuel management is handled by a 46mm throttle body and new injectors, while a redesigned stainless steel exhaust system with dual catalyzers routes emissions under the chassis. A unique airbox revision allows the engine to sit higher in the frame, improving ground clearance. The 6-speed transmission has been updated with slip and assist functions and can be equipped with an optional Quick Shifter Plus. On the electronics side, a ride-by-wire throttle enables selectable riding modes, including Street and Sport. The Sport mode offers a more aggressive throttle response, and traction control can be fully disabled for a purer riding experience. New for 2025, a mode memory function ensures that the selected riding mode remains active even after the key is turned off. Enhanced service intervals, a key upgrade for 2025, is the improved service schedule for the LC4C engine. The first service is now required at 621 miles, followed by extended intervals of 6,200 miles thereafter, reducing maintenance frequency and improving long-term convenience. SMC-R chassis sharing its foundation with the 390 Duke. The 390 SMC-R features a third-generation two-piece steel trellis frame. However, it incorporates distinct subframe mounts, a unique rigidity profile, and specialized geometry. The SMC-R is equipped with different triple clamps and a more relaxed 26.9-degree steering head angle compared to the Duke's 24 degrees, enhancing control and stability for both on- and off-road riding. Its bolt-on steel trellis subframe is designed to support a one-piece seat, while the gravity die-cast aluminum swing arm, adapted from the upcoming 390 Adventure, adds off-road capability. The SMC-R's wheelbase measures 57.2 inches, nearly 4 inches longer than the Duke's 53.4 inches, contributing to improved stability. Suspension and wheels. The 390 SMC-R is fitted with a 43mm WP Apex open cartridge fork, offering adjustable compression and rebound damping. At the rear, a fully adjustable offset WP Apex shock provides preload, rebound, and compression damping control. Both front and rear suspension deliver just over 9 inches of travel, ensuring a capable ride across varying terrains. The bike rides on 17-inch wire-spoked wheels, measuring 2 inches wide at the front and 4 inches at the rear, wrapped in Michelin Power 6 tires, 110, 70, 17 front, 150, 60, 17 rear for optimal grip and performance. Braking and ABS braking duties are managed by a bi-bray radial mount 4-piston caliper and a 308mm disc at the front, complemented by a single-piston caliper and 240mm disc at the rear. KTM equips the SMC-R with Bosch dual-channel ABS, featuring 3 selectable modes: Road, Supermoto, and Supermoto Plus, allowing riders to tailor braking performance to their riding style and conditions. Electronics and other features: a new 4.2-inch full-color TFT dash features an anti-glare coating, for improved visibility in all lighting conditions. The unit supports smartphone connectivity via the KTM Connect app for control of music, turn-by-turn navigation, and incoming calls. New bar-mounted. Switches feature a 4-way joystick for navigation and are illuminated for nighttime use. The headlights and taillights are all LED units for improved performance. The Supermoto styling includes a slim and compact shape with a 2.4-gallon fuel tank that is metal instead of plastic. Slimline fairings are narrow and designed to help protect the tank in the event of a tip-over. Graphics are molded into the plastic for improved wear characteristics. The all-new 2025 KTM 390 SMC-R will begin arriving in showrooms in early 2025. Pricing has yet to be determined, but expected to be in the same ballpark as the Duke at just under $6,000. While the drama continues in the executive suites of Pure Air Mobility, it's still business as usual at KTM, with the announcement of 2 small displacement Supermoto models in the 125 and 390 SMC-R. We're only getting the 390 SMC-R in North America, so we'll focus on that model here. KTM actually displayed both SMC-R models at EICMA, but didn't have much to say about them until now. As you would guess, the 390 SMC-R is based on the same platform as the 390 Duke. The engine is a 399cc liquid-cooled single, claiming the same 44 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 28.8 lb-ft. At 7,000 RPM as the Duke, the engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission with a PASC slipper clutch. The chassis is also based on the latest Dukes with a 2-piece steel trellis frame, but with a different steering head angle, subframe mounts, rigidity profile, and triple clamps. KTM says the changes were made to improve handling, control, and stability. The 390 SMC-R comes with 2 ride modes, the default street mode and sport with a snappier throttle response. KTM made no mention of a rain mode, which the 390 Duke has, but that seems to be the plan for its Supermoto models, as the larger 690 SMC-R also lacks a rain mode. Traction control comes standard, though it can be disabled if desired. The front wheel is equipped with a single 320mm disc and Bi-Bri radial mount 2-piston caliper. The rear brake is a Bi-Bro single-piston caliper with a 240mm disc. Bi-Bro's parent company, Brembo, supplies the 10.3mm modulator dual-channel ABS. When riding in sport mode, riders unlock the choice of 3 ABS settings. Road mode offers regular, ABS optimized for street use. Supermoto mode turns off rear wheel ABS, and Supermoto Plus mode allows the rear wheel to lock briefly to help slide around corners. The 390 SMC-R comes with a 43mm WP Apex separate piston inverted fork with toolless adjustments to compression and rebound. The WP Apex rear shock absorber is offset and directly mounted to the swing arm, a design choice shared with the other 390 models.